Hook, have you ever felt like you're being ripped off by your subscription services? You're not alone. Many of us have fallen victim to sneaky recurring charges. But what happens when you find yourself overcharged or dissatisfied with a service like Rocket Money? How do you get your money back? Let's dive into it. Building context, Rocket Money, formerly known as Trim, is a popular app that helps users manage their finances by canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating bills, and finding ways to save money. While it's a valuable tool for many, there are instances where users may feel the need to request a refund. Common reasons for refunds. Overcharging. Sometimes, Rocket Money may accidentally charge you more than the agreed-upon amount. Unsatisfactory service. If the app fails to deliver on its promises or doesn't meet your expectations, you might want a refund. Duplicate charges. In some cases, you might be charged twice for the same service. Unintended subscriptions. You might have accidentally subscribed to a service through Rocket Money and want to get your money back. Steps to request a refund. Contact Rocket Money customer support. The first step is to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support team. You can typically find their contact information on their website or within the app itself. Clearly explain your reason. Be specific about why you're requesting a refund. Provide as much detail as possible to help the support team understand your situation. Gather evidence. If you have any evidence, such as screenshots or transaction records, that supports your claim, provide it to the customer support representative. Be patient. The refund process may take some time, so be patient. The support team will review your request and respond accordingly. Tips for a successful refund request. Be polite and professional. A courteous and respectful tone can go a long way in ensuring a positive outcome. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with the customer support team. Consider mediation. If you're unable to resolve the issue directly with Rocket Money, you might explore mediation services. Alternative dispute resolution. If you're still unsatisfied after contacting Rocket Money's customer support, you may want to consider alternative dispute resolution (ADR) options. These include Better Business Bureau, BBB. The BBB can help mediate disputes between consumers and businesses. Your credit card company. If you paid for Rocket Money using a credit card, you might be able to dispute the charge with your card issuer. Preventing future issues. To avoid future problems with Rocket Money or other subscription services, consider the following. Review your subscriptions regularly. Check your subscription list periodically to ensure you're only paying for services you actually use. Use a subscription management tool. There are many tools available that can help you track and manage your subscriptions. Be cautious when signing up for new services. Read the terms and conditions carefully before subscribing to any new service. Conclusion. Getting your money back from Rocket Money or any other company can be frustrating, but it's possible. By following the steps outlined in this video and being persistent, you can increase your chances of a successful refund. Remember, your rights as a consumer matter, and you shouldn't be afraid to advocate for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy saving.